Welcome to Sachin Study Tech. Today topic is sum of subsets. This is the another applications of backtracking. So here you can use the backtracking strategy. You can solve this problem. So here it is left. Here for example you can expand. Here it is x1 equal to 1. Here it is x1 equal to 0. That means here in right side, here you can see the left subtree of the root define all subtree subset contains w1. Right side subtree defines all subsets not containing w1. So here it is, you cannot consider that particular weight, so it is not included in right side. So here it is included in left side. So you can see the problem is to find a subset of given set s1 and s2 and so on sn of n positive integers whose sum is equal to the given positive integer, that is m or d. So now you can see the bounding function. Here it is I equal to 1 to k w of wi into xi plus w of k plus 1 less than or equal to m. So this is the bounding function. Which are the solutions is subset is satisfies this bounding function, that is the solutions. So the time complexity of sum of subsets is big of 2 power n, exponential time complexity. Auxiliary space is big of n. Now we can discuss one sample problem. So let w equal to 1 2 3 4 5. So and d equal to 8, d or m, we can take any one. Here it is m equal to 8, for example here also m equal to 8. So these are the objects. Here it is x1 weight is 1, x2 weight is 3, x3 weight is 4, x4 weight is 5. You can see. So and d equal to 8. Find all possible subsets of w. So here the backtracking follows DFS. That's why here it is, you can see. Now first you can consider, here it is, you cannot consider any weight, that is 0. So you can take the total of this. So here you can see 8, but total is more than 8. So 1 3 4 4 8 plus 5, that is 8 plus 5, that is 13. So more than that, so 13 you can take here. Then here it is left side is included, right side is not included. Here it is not included, here it is included. Now x1 is included, so xa value is either 0 or 1. 0 means not included, 1 means included. So x1 equal to 1, that is first one is included. So 1, that value is 1, 0 plus 1 1. You can subtract 1 from 13, that is 12. So here you can follow DFS, so that you can expand here. x2 equal to included, here it is. x2 is 3, 3 plus 1, that is 4. 3 subtract from 12, that is 9. And x3 is included, so you can see x3 value is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8. So 4 is subtract from 9, so remaining is 5. So 8 less than or equal to 8, the condition is true. You can explore this. x4 equal to 1, that means fourth one is also included, that is 5. 5 plus 8, that is 13. So here 5 minus 5, that is 0. So here it is 13 less than or equal to 8. Condition is fail, so it is not a solution. So backtrack, that means x4 is not included, so that, so what are the value is there here, you can take directly this value 8. And also you can see x1 is included, x2 is included, x3 is included, x4 is not included. That means this one is included, 1 plus 3 plus 4, that is 8. 5 is not included, so 8. So 5 is subtracted from this 5, that is 0. x4 is not included. In not included also you can subtract from this. So this is the solution. And backtrack, here it is x3 is not included, x3 is not included, that means, so the value is 4. You can also check x1 is included, x2 is included, that means 1 plus 3, that is 4, so 4. So x3 is not included, x3 is 4, so you can subtract 4 from this. 9 minus 4, that is 5. Here it is x4 is included, x4 is not included. If x4 is included, that is 5 plus 4, 9. Here 5 minus 5, that is 0. So here 9 less than or equal to 8, the condition is fail, so it is not a solution. So that here it is x4 is 0, that means fourth one is not included. So what are the value is there here, 4, you can take directly. So 5 minus 5, that is 0, it is also not a solution. Then go back, here also backtrack. So here you can see x2 is not included, x2 is included here in left side, s2 is not included. Then you can expand, x2 is not included, that means 3 is not included, so only x1 is included, x1 value is 1, so that you can take directly here. So x2 is not included, that means 3 is not included, so 12 minus 3, that is 9. Here it is x3 is included, x3 is not included. So if x3 is included, so x3 value is 4, so 4 plus 1, that is 5. So subtract 4 from 9, here it is also 5. So here x4 is included, x4 is not included. If x4 is included, that means x4 value here it is 5, so 5 plus 5, that is 10. 5 subtract from here 0, so it is also not a solution. 10 less than or equal to 8, it is not a solution. Now you can see here it is 5, so last x4 is not included, that means 5. 5 minus 5 is 0, so it is also not a solution. So you can see here it is x3 is not included, that means 4 is not included. What are the value is there, 1. Here it is x3 is not included, that means 4 is not included, you can subtract 4 from this, remaining is 5. So here it is x4 is included, x4 is not included. If x4 is included, so what is the x4 value is 5, 5 plus 1, that is 6. Here you can subtract 5 minus 5, that is 0, so it is also not a solution, which is equal to 8. It is not a solution, but 6 less than or equal to 8, but it is not a solution. Here x4 is not included, that means what are the value is there in previous, here is 1, so 5 is 4, x4 is not included, so 5 minus 5 is 0, so it is also not a solution. So here in this case only one solution, that means here it is, for example, that solution is xi, here it is x1 is included and x2 is included, x2 is included and x3 is included, x4 is not included. You can see here it is first one is included, second one is included, third one is included, so 1 plus 3, 4 plus 4, 8. So this is one solution. So we have to explore in right side, it is not included, here also you can see. So here it is not included is 0, so here x1 is not included, x1 is not included, that means you can subtract 1 from 13, that is 12. So here it is x2 is included, x2 is not included. If x2 is included, what is the x2 value is 3. 0 plus 3 is 3. Subtract 3 from 12. Here it is 9. Then x3 is included, x3 is not included. If x3 is included, that is 4. So 4 plus 3, 7. 4 subtract from 9, remaining is 5. So you can expand this. X4 is included, x4 is not included. So here you can see x4 is included, that is 5. 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7, that is 12. Here 5 minus 5, that is 0. It is not a solution. 12 less than or equal to 8, it is not a solution. So x4 is not included, that means the value is 7 and x4 value is 5. So 5 minus 5, that is 0. It is also not a solution. So backtrack. Here it is. Here it is. x3 is not included. x3 is not included, that is the value is 3. So x3 is not included, that is 4 is not included. Subtract 4 from 9, that is remaining value is 3. Remaining value is 5. Here it is x4 is included, x4 is not included. So x4 is included. So 3 plus, here x4 value is 5. 3 plus 5, that is 8. So 5 minus 5, that is 0. So here you can see this is the another solution. So x4 is not included, that means here it is 3. So x4 value is 5. 5 minus 5, that is 0. So it is not a solution. Backtrack. Here is, you can expand this. x2 is not included, that means 0, and x2 value is 3. So subtract 3 from 12. 12 minus 3, that is 9. So here it is, x3 is included, x3 is not included. So if x3 is included, x3 value is 4. 4 plus 0, that is 4. So 4 is subtract from 9, remaining is 5. So here it is, x4 is included, x4 is not included. So if x4 is included, x4 value is 5. 5 plus 4, that is 9. So 5 minus 5, that is 0. It is not a solution. So x4 is not included, that means 4, and 5 minus 5, that is 0. It is also not a solution. So you can see x3 is not included, that means here it is 0, and here x3 is not included. So that is 4. 9 minus 4, that is remaining 5. So now you can see x4 is included, x4 is not included. If x4 is included, that means 5. 5 plus 0 is 5. So 5 minus 5 is 0. So this is not a solution. Here also you can see it is 0. x4 is not included, that 5 minus 5, that is also 0. It is not a solution. So here it is, a solution is there. You can see what is the solution. xi is, the solution is, you can see x1 is not included, that means 0. Here you can see this is the solution. x2 is included, x2 is included here, and x3 is not included, and x4 is included. X4 is included. Now you can see x2 and x4 is included, that means 3 plus 5 is 8, and 1 plus 3 is, so here it is 1 plus 3 plus 4 is 8. So these are the two solutions, that is here it is 3 plus 5, that is 8. Here also 1 plus 3 plus 4, that is 8. So these are the two solutions, but here you can explore this. So here have the 4 values, that is 0, 0, 0, 0. So you can see in this not included, not included, not included. So for example, here it is x4 and x3 and x2 and x1. Here it is all not included. So the first one is included, and second one is included. Like third one is, for example, first and second is included. Like you can expand this. Here it is all are included. So these are the possible solutions that is 2 power 4. So you can see here it is the total is 16. So 16 is there. So 16 leaf nodes are there out of 16. So two solutions are there. This is the one solution, this is one solution, another one is this is the another solution. The leaf nodes are 16, so that is either not included. See, you can see here it is not included, not x2 is not included, x3 is not included, x4 is not included, that is all are 0. So here you can see x1 is included, x2 included, x3 is included, x4 is included, that is 1 1 1. So like that here it is the x3 is included, x2 x3 is not included. Like here you can write like up to here it is 0 to here it is 15, total 16 possibilities, but only solutions are possible solutions are only two solutions, this one and this one. Thank you for watching this video.